friends, it's been a while since my last update. Third day na namin dito sa Bougainvillas, dito sa Calatagan. We are staying here with Joshua's friends, turned my friends already. Nag-quick reset and rest lang din ako because life has been lifing so much lately. Sobrang sabay-sabay lahat ng mga nangyayari. It's something that I'm still processing. It's something that I'm still not ready to share, but hopefully someday soon. And yeah, I guess wala tayong choice but be ready to face the world again. But yeah.
Kinabukasan, nag-compete kami. Tapos nung pa ako parang Jollibee pa.
Your energy, your...
Parang ako, sinisinig pa.
Meron pa ulit bukas, gusto mo mag-dance.
To have you on this stage. Thank you, mommy. Thank you, sir and ma'am. Thank you.
Kami na mag-bye. Queen things. Happy Mother's Day, Mommy. Wow! Grabe siya.
We just came back from Hydrafacial at Let's Glow. And I mean, look at this glow, friends! Huwag niyo lang pansinin yung psoriasis ko dyan. Pero, my God! Ang ganda! Prepping for the shoot sa Thursday and Friday. I'm excited. Hydrafacial tayo, of course. Let's Glow Aestheticism Museum. Yes, kadiri to. There, it's the team. Hello, our usual. Punta kaming all home ngayon kasi magdadala si Tops at Glenn ng mga supplies sa Sea Cove, Laia. Pero yung ano kasi doon, table na sira na. Kaya kailangan namin bumili ng bago. Although I feel like pwede atang maayos pa yun. Hindi ko sure. Pero ayoko lang i-risk kasi pupunta si na Miss O sa Sunday. So, baka mamaya matapon yung mga pagkain nila. Kasi diba yung table dun sa baba, natitiklop-tiklop. So, ayun, yun lang. Let's go. So friends, I finally bought myself a laptop. Kasi sobrang bagal na nung luma ko. Yung luma ko ipapamana ko sa brother ko. And I went from a MacBook Pro to a MacBook Air. Kasi hindi naman na ako mainly nag-edit ng videos ko. And ngayon na binubura ko na siya, parang yung old laptop ko, parang medyo naging sentimental ako. Parang shocks, 5 years din pala kami nagsama. I mean, hindi naman ako laging sentimental with material things, pero parang na-realize ko lang din na she has been with me for 5 years already. And ang dami niyang na-witness na mga breakdown ng clock ko. Ayan, so right now, ayan, binubura ko yung sa old Mac ko papunta sa bago. I got the MacBook Air 15-inch na M3, 16 gig RAM. Kasi better daw yon, sabi ni Josh, kapag mas maraming simultaneous windows and programs na sabay-sabay. Pero hindi ko naman na need nung sobrang lakas like MacBook Pro. So, what I really like about it is sobrang sleek niya. Sobrang nipis. And as someone who's not that techie naman, I like it. I like it so much. So, this is an honest review of a non-techie girl of a MacBook Air. Ayun lang.
May babalik ba ang kahapon?
Hi, my life's a mess. Kaya andito si Mama at si Louie to fix my life. Thank you. Nairita na sa kalat ko yung pamilya ko. Amen. Done and be in. Nakadami stay lang. Thank you.